Camphor is a natural remedy for head lice, known for its cleaning and disinfecting properties. It can be mixed with bathing water to effectively kill lice. Combining camphor oil with coconut oil can also help suffocate lice. The cool and hot sensation on hair makes it an effective way to repel head lice, preventing infestations and enhancing hair health. Camphor oil is a cleansing agent and scalp detoxifier that effectively removes dirt, bacteria, and harmful radicals from the scalp. It promotes blood circulation, reducing hair loss and preventing balding. Applying diluted camphor oil strengthens hair follicles and prevents hair loss, especially in middle age. It also acts as a scalp detoxifier, keeping the scalp free from harmful elements. Camphor, a natural hair strengthener, can bolster hair roots by providing essential nutrients. A homemade hair mask containing camphor can strengthen and nourish hair from the roots, boosting blood circulation in the scalp. This results in healthy and strong roots, making it a valuable addition to any hair care routine. Camphor is a hair care product that addresses common hair issues like dryness, split ends, and breakage. Its moisturizing properties promote soft, silky hair and improve blood circulation, leading to healthier-looking hair. Camphor oil enhances hair texture by preventing dryness and providing essential moisture, reducing roughness, split ends, and breakage. This results in faster hair growth and healthier roots. Camphor is a hair treatment with antibacterial, antimicrobial, and antifungal properties, making it effective in treating scalp ringworm, reducing red bumps, and preventing scalp folliculitis. Its scraping and odor-reducing properties make it an excellent scalp cleanser and detoxifier, as it declogs scalp pores and allows better penetration of hair care products. Camphor is a hair treatment with antibacterial, antifungal, skin-soothing, and blood circulation-boosting properties. It prevents hair loss and balding by decongesting the scalp, increasing blood flow, and acting as a scalp detoxifier. Camphor oil is a natural remedy that enhances scalp blood circulation, boosts hair growth, and improves nutrition supply to roots. It prevents dryness, softens coarse hair, and controls split ends and hair breakage. It also increases hair growth and thickness by enhancing blood circulation to the scalp and enriching hair follicles, strengthening hair roots. Camphor oil is an antibacterial and pain-relieving oil with soothing and anti-inflammatory properties. It can help relieve dandruff and flaky scalp, as well as itching and irritation. Camphor is also used in Ayurveda as an antifungal remedy, as it prevents Malassezia yeast proliferation on the scalp, making it suitable for treating dandruff and flakiness. Camphor oil, a natural remedy, helps hair follicles retain pigment and prevents premature graying caused by stress and pollution. It maintains hair cleanliness, protects it from free radicals, and can be added to hair care products to prevent premature aging and pollution-induced discoloration. Camphor oil is a natural pain reliever that reduces skin irritation and itchiness on the scalp in a very effective way. The best way to use it is to combine it with menthol or dilute it with pure coconut oil. Over time, it works on scalp irritation and inflammation, and reduces it to a great extent.